Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed a video in the Shopify product page. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products. Right here, you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your apps and settings. So basically, guys, right now, go ahead and click on products. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. Make sure you click on products. And then here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the products that you have on your online store. And then if you go here to the top right, you're going to find the option to export, import. Right here, you're going to find some more actions. And lastly, here, you're going to find the option to add products. So go ahead and click on add products, and then you're going to be right here in this page. Once here, as you can see guys, right here, you can add all of the informations about your product. For example, you can add the title, which is the name of your product. Here you can add the description. And as you can see guys here under media, you can upload or add a media. You can either, as you can see guys, you can either upload an image, a video, or 3D models. So just click on upload new and then search for the video you want to upload. And then we're going to be able to add it right here. As you can see guys here in the bottom, you're going to also find some other details like the price. You can add the price right here and all of the details right here. And once you finish, don't forget to click on save and then your product will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.